Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. I'm going to talk about Sklz, ticker symbol Sklz. I'm back from vacation. I'm excited. I'm pumped up. I'm ready to go because this company is very brutal. That time and time we have came across to a $12.52 and high of 22 and get rejected, right? So what are we looking at and what is the next news is coming out, and we're going to discuss on that. The earnings is coming out on August 3rd, so we got to definitely keep an eye. And usually the earnings of 10 days to 15 days, usually the stock goes up. When this stock, Sklz is been just beat down, right? It's been constantly beat down, right? The stock has been attempting to recover since May. Some investors dove in because of the short squeeze stock, right? Others bought in still strong prospects, but in past weeks, this stock has pulled back once again. Well, usually when the stock does it like pull back all the way and expected with the great earnings coming out, which I'm going to discuss in the video, will result in uptrend on that, right? The negative signal Sklz may on be on rise, but yet you still want to buy ahead of the next quarter earning, which is scheduled to be released after the market closes on August 3rd. Just the last quarter loss and is higher than expected, but the sales come in overcast. Yet again, the management rises guidance for 2021. Enough. Maybe it's enough to renew the investors' enthusiasm on Sklz stock, right? So the key things we want to really talk about is why this company is a solid company, right? And I'm going to discuss also in the video, so stay tuned on that, folks. So we will meet or beat the analysis consensus for the quarter of June ending June 30th, 2021. The average revenue estimates the last quarter is 82 million, as the investor placed Mark Haig discussed on July 22nd to beat the revenue estimates and upheld its full guidance from last quarter, right? So means what they have discussed on the last quarter looks like they're fulfilling it, which is a great sign, right? In July, the shares pulled back more than 30%, and yet the lack of enthusiasm could bring a positive investors bullish on the stock, right? That's what I'm talking about. Because right, if we go back right here, we had a massive pullback, right? From the February, we have been having this all the way back and reset where we used to be around at $12.22, right? One good thing, folks, what I'm going to discuss is the shorts, right? The shorts are dying, right? Means they're slowly fading away. We were up on the 26.7%. Now we're at 18, right? This number is great, but I like to see it roughly around between 10 to 15%, right? 10 to 15%. The shorts, I want to see that before we have the massive run, right? Also, right, before I talk on the technical side, folks, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification if you guys want to be constantly be updated. The target price is $24.50, high is $34, average is $24.50, low at $17, which we're not even near yet. So there's a lot of upside potential for this stock right now, which is great, right? 3 buys, 2 hold, 0 sell, and from 5 analysis, right? Based on that, let's talk on the technical side, right? Folks, earnings coming out, which is not a joke. The time and time you have seen in the past, and every time on the last earnings, we were sitting roughly around where we're sitting right now at $14.08. Last earnings, we were sitting around at $13. We went high of $24.87 before we came down, right? So the key support level, right? We're going to talk about the first support level. It's right up there at $12.52, which is going to be our support level, right? We got to keep an eye this week. Well, even after the earnings, this is something we're going to keep an eye. If it comes over here at $12.52, we'll create some sort of a triple bottom, 1, 2, and 3, right? We are seeing from this huge downfall, right? We are witnessing all the way up here to right up here now on this burden, where time and time we have been coming all the way, where we're trying to make some recovery and we are failing to do that, right? Our moving average, 200-day moving average, sitting right here, the pink line. The yellow line is 60 60 EMA is sitting at $17.72. The 20-day EMA is sitting at $14.84. So what are we seeing? Are we going to see some sort of uptrend or what? Right now, the MACD bars are getting smaller and smaller. RSI, it's kind of settling right here, showing some sort of uptrend, but not yet. So it cooled off because the shorts are fading away, which is a great news. We got a breakout. So the next breakout that we're gonna see is, in order to give us a confirmation for some sort of uptrend, is at $16.57, right? And right after that is this moving average, below this moving average, right up here, right up here at $18.50. That's our 200 EMAs sitting right over there at $18.50. So moving forward, what I'm seeing personally on these earnings, a massive rail up to $18.50, right? I am not smoking weed. This is not one based on that. This is based on my research. When the stock is usually beat up before the earnings like that, you'll see a spike up for next couple of days and then come retested it, right? So this is definitely a huge growth stock. This is the opportunity, a buying area that I usually look at it, and time when it came to this area, it becomes a loading zone for Sklz, right? Also not forgetting that on our 6 months, right? Not forgetting over 6 months. So time and time you'll see that it came at 640, roughly around there, huge spike. So we are trading our 60-day is sitting at $15.12, and the 200-day on the 6 months sitting at $17.06, right? So we are right over there. We're trading below, right? It is a downtrend, folks. It is, without a doubt, it is a complete downtrend that you'll see right here. And let's see if we break out this pattern right up here. So I'm gonna have this descending triangle pattern to see if we're gonna break out right up here. So we gotta keep an eye. We gotta keep an eye to see how far we're gonna test and break out. If we break out at 1850 and we hold, we'll be trading below all of our moving average, which is a great sign heading into that. So to Monday and Tuesday, right? Monday we will see a huge volume. Volume predicts price. Volume is kind of at 11 million. Love to see around at 15 million, because the last time we saw around at 50 million, we went from 1240 all the way high at 2162, which is also a high potential that we can see definitely coming through. But I'm gonna have our magic white line, right, sitting at $21.81, right? Do I see it before the earnings coming out, during the earnings time? Yes, I can definitely see that. I definitely can see that. So that's something we gotta pay attention. 16 first 57s we gotta break out, then 1856, and then 21.81, and we gotta see this triangular pattern right up here in between that, to see if we're gonna break out on that, right? Everything is showing a potential of reverse, a change on uptrend, but no confirmation, right? So we gotta have this confirmation in order to see if it's gonna be a breakout pattern. Well, folks, that's all I have for today. Quick short video. Earnings coming up, exciting news. Stock is bid up, usually intense for the price moving up from the $14, right? So I'm gonna recap this video after the earnings on August 3rd on Tuesday, and see if I was wrong or right, or it be down all the way to $12.52, or it is gonna go test of high of $16.57, even the high of $18.56. I am more confident in trading between $18.56 rather than all the way to $12.52. But let's see how it plays out, right? So thank you very much for watching the video. Stay tuned for more updates on Sklz. It's a good opportunity for swing trading and day trading on this stock for next couple of days. So if you guys paying attention, definitely is a good option on that. So thank you once again, and good luck this week of trading. Thank you, everyone.